Welcome my dear students. Today I will take reasoning class letter series for ICET and other competitive examinations like bank, SSC, railways and LAWCET and so on. So especially for ICET, you will get from letter series you can get 3 to 4 problems, and also depending on this letter series you have coding and decoding is there for ICET. You will get in ICET 10 marks from letter series coding and decoding. That's why if you know the letter series you will get 15 marks, nearly 15 marks in ICET examination. Especially for ICET examination you will get 15 marks. So be careful students, you have to practice these things. So how to do the problems, we can see, check out the problems. See, first of all in the letter series you already know we have 26 alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. But when doing the problems, our condition is we have to go for numbering the alphabets: A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6 and so on, Z26, R0. If you take in the reverse way, Z1, Y2, 3, 4 and so on. So we have to recognize, you have to by head all these numbers. It is very better to do in the examination. So if you by head it, A means 1, H means 8, J means 10, K means 11, L means 12, M means 13. It is very easy for you to do the problems in examination. So it is better to go for by head is the best way. If you know the numbers perfectly, it is very easy, and also time will be consumed for you. Time will not be consumed for you. So this is first condition. The second condition of this we can call it as opposite words. We are writing A, B, C, D up to M, 13 letters. 13 letters up to 13, and continuation 13, the next time N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So A code is Z, B code is Y, C code is X and so on. This is also very important in the examination for ICET examination and other competitive examination. This is the third one. So I have written A, B, C, D up to M. I written from forward N, O, P, Q. This we can call it as plus or minus 13 series. Why? Because A is 1, N is 14. The difference is 13. B and O difference 13, CP difference 13 and so on. That's why this series is plus or minus 13 series. Depending on these 4 conditions. First one is forward condition 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one is the backward condition 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. There are 2 tables here, and this is the table for opposite series. So we can also have some shortcuts. AZ recognize means algebra. In algebra you have A and Z is there. BY boy, in B and Y boy is there. CX color Xerox. DW down. EV in love we can love and word we can get as EV. FU fun. GT Express. HS Hyderabad Secunderabad. IR Indian Railways. JQ it will be called in the common cards. KP Kukatpalli assume as love, LO love, MN men. So that is a shortcut way. By you can recognize so many methods. That is your choice. So this is the second method, third method, this is the fourth method. I am writing the alphabets right and regularly write like this: N, O, P, Q, R. So these 4 properties are very important to do the problems in letter series as well as in coding and decoding. So first of all write down these 3 conditions, take 1 minute time. So this is very important. Afterwards you can go the problems. This topic is very important for mostly for ICET students and also for bank. Now come to the problems. So see the first problem, A comma C comma E comma G dash. So for these alphabets, if you give the numbers, you can get an idea. So A means how much? 1. C means 3. E means 5. G means 7. So if you observe the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, what are these numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. Next odd number is what? 9 is the next odd number. Next odd number is 9. So the required answer is, what is the 9 for code? 9, the code for 9 is I. Once again, see the problem. Here again the alphabets as A, C, E, G and so on. So A means 1, C means 3, E means 5, G means 7. Next dash. If you observe the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. So these are odd numbers. Odd numbers. Next odd number is nothing but 9. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. So that's why the next odd number is 9 is the answer. It's very easy. Chala easy and the topic. Mano alphabets numbering ichukunnataithe chala easy chechu, very dead easy problems ivani kuda. So that's why meeru ee topic nunchi questions pothunnayi ante mana mistake avutundi. So compulsory baga practice, more and more practice will be very easy. Alphabet numbering baga by heart cheyandi. A ante 1, B ante 2, C ante 3, D ante 4, E ante 5. Ala మనం by heart చేస్తే చాలా easy అవుతుంది. Now next go for the second problem కి వెళ్దాం. B means 2. E means 5, H means 8, K means 11. So ఇక్కడ observe చేస్తే 2, 5, 8, 11. Observe చేస్తే difference 2 కి 5 కి difference is 3, 5 కి 8 difference 3, 8 కి 11 difference 3. So 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 11. So 11 plus 3 14. What is the code for 14? 14 code is nothing but N. So the required answer is N is the answer. The required code is N is the required answer. Next go for next one. C, H, M, R, W. C means 3, H means 8, M means 13, R means 18, W means 23. So observe the values. 8 and 3 difference is 5, 13, 8 difference 5, 18, 13 difference 5, 23, 18 difference 5. Every time the difference is 5, 5, 5, 5. So here also you can take difference as 5. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18 plus 4 23, 23 plus 5 the value is 28. 28, but we have no alphabet on 28. Whenever you get more than 28, more than 26, simply subtract the value 26. From 28 minus 26 the value is 2. 28 minus 26 the value is 2. So the value becomes 2. So 2 means nothing but B is the answer. B is the answer. B is the required answer. B is the required answer. B is the required answer. So the number is 28. 28 minus 26. 2 is the value. 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 So 2 means nothing but B is the required answer. Come to this problem. E means 5. I means 9. M means 13. 17, U means 21. See the difference here, 4, 4, 4, 4. So the next value is 4, 21 plus 4, 25. 25 means what is the meaning of 25? Y is the answer. 25, Y is the required answer. Now do this one. S, Q, O, M, X, same model. What is the meaning of S? S is 19, Q 17, O 15, M 13, X 24. X 24. Now see here 19, 17, 15, 13, 24. So here we can write down this X as, we can write down this X also as, so first difference is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Write down the difference 24, we can write down 24. We can write down the reverse way as, first write down this one, you can see that, check out that one. Write down the above problems, check out. Okay, now come to the last problem. Here SQOM, this is not x, k. This is not x, k. This is k. So now it becomes S19, Q17, O15, M13, K11. Now the difference is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Here also minus 2. So 11 minus 2, 9. 9 means nothing but I is the answer. I is the answer. Write on this one, you can go for the next new method. Now come to next problems. LNQU-FM. So first of all, you can go for the numbering. L means 12, N means 14, 17, U means 21, F means 6, M means 30. Now here observe the value difference is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. So automatically you get the next value becomes plus 5. Plus 5 means it becomes 26. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 4, 26. But here the numbers are 12, 14, 17, 20, 26. It is 6. We can write down F as 6 or 26 plus 6. Sorry, 6 plus 26. We have totally 26 alphabets. 26 plus 6 is nothing but 32. We can write down F as 6 or 32. Now check out the difference here. So here it is plus 5. Next, so what about this one? 32 minus 26, 6. So we read the sequence. So this one 13 we can write down as 26 plus 13. 26 plus 13, the value becomes 39. The difference is 7 here. Here it is 6, it is 7. So the sequence is right answer. So whenever you have a doubt, you can write down the F as 6 or you can write down the F as 32. How we are writing the 36 means by adding 26. By adding 26 because we have totally 26 alphabets there. F is 6 or 6 plus 26, 32 you can write down. M13 you can write down 13 plus 26, 39. So the difference is 2, 3, 4, 5. So 26 means the answer is Z is the answer. Answer is Z is the answer. Now come to this problem. H8, J10, N14, T20, B2, L12. So here the up to here these are increasing. We can write down B as 2 or 26 plus 2, 28. L as 12 or 26 plus 12, 38. Now observe plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, it is plus 8, plus 8. It is plus 10, plus 10. So now we read here plus 12, plus 12. So here B we can call it as 2. We can call it 12. So the difference is plus 10, plus 10 difference, plus difference. So 12 plus 12, how much is that? 12 plus 12, the value becomes how much is 24. 24 means X is the answer. 24 means X is the required answer. X is the required. So the difference we can write down later 38 plus 12. 38 plus 12, the value is 50 here. The value is 50. So 50 means nothing but 50 minus 26. 50 minus 26, the value is 24. That also nothing but X only. So whenever the value is bigger, then you can take one this value 2, 12. Next to 12 plus 12, how much? 24. 24 is the answer. 24 is the answer. Now come to this problem. B means 2, E5, K11, T20, F6. Here also the numbers are going and increasing and downward. This we can call it as F6 or 32. Now see the difference is 3, difference is 6, 9, here 12. So the next difference is, this is a 3 table, 3, 6, 9, 12. The difference is 15. So 6 plus 15, we can take directly 6 plus 15, 21. 21 means, what is the meaning of 21? 21 is the U is the answer. 21 means U is the required answer. This is the method you can do the problems. Write down this one, you can go for the next one. Now come to next series, WVSNG dash. What is the value of W? W is nothing but 23, V 22, S 19, N 14, G 7. So here the difference is minus 23 minus 22, 22 minus 19 minus 2, sorry, minus 3, 19 minus 5, here it is minus 7. It is here it is odd numbers, minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, odd numbers are there. So next one, 7 minus 9 minus 2. Minus 2 means nothing but 26 minus 2. 26 minus 2, 24 is the answer. 24 means nothing but X is the answer. So 23, W means 23, V means 22, S means 19, N means 14, G means 7. So next dash. So if you observe the difference here, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, minus 1. Next is minus 9, 7 minus 10, minus 2. But you have no minus 2 alphabet. You have to subtract from the 26 alphabets. 26 minus 2, 24. 24 code is X. So the answer is X is the required answer here. If you come to this series, A1, C3, F6, H8, P16, R18, J10, L12. Now observe here, it is 1 and 3 means plus 2. 3, 6 means into 2. It is plus 2. It is into 2. Plus 2. Plus 2. So 16 plus 2, 18. So this 10 we can also write on this as nothing but 10 we can write as 36. The 10 plus 26, 10 plus 26, 36. Write down J as 10 or 36. Now it is 18 into 2, 36 right answer. Now this 12 we can write down as 26 plus 12, 38. So here the difference is 2. Difference is 2. Now we have to go for into 2. Into 2 means 12 into 2. 12 into 2, 24 is the answer. X is the answer. 12 into 2, 24. 12 into 2, you can take 38 or 12. If you take 38 means it is a big number and then you have to subtract. That's why it is better to go for 12. 12 into 2, 24 is the value. ఇక్కడ మనకు 38 తీసుకోవచ్చు, 12 తీసుకోవచ్చు. 38 తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే 38 2 70 సంథింగ్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. మళ్ళీ అక్కడి నుంచి మనం మైనస్ చేయాలి. దాని బదులు 12 తీసుకోవడం బెటర్. 12 2 24. So the answer is 24 is the answer. This is the best way. Now come to this problem. B2, Y25, C3, V22, D4, S is 19, E5. So numbers are increasing, decreasing. We are not understanding. Increasing and decreasing. So ila unnappudu this is nothing but an alternative series. Alternative series this is. Come to this one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next here the value. Now come to this one. 23 and 22. 23 and 22 minus 3. 22 and 19 minus 3. 19 minus 3. 19 minus 3, how much? 16. 19 minus 16. 16, what is the code for 16? 16 is P. So the answer is P is the answer. This is alternative series. Alternative series. Alternative series. This is the value. Write down this one, you can go for the next one. Now come to the next problem. B, N, C, O, E, P, H, Q, L, R dash. X, S, N, I, D dash. R, O, L, I, F, C dash. Can you take 1 minute time and do it? Try it. Okay, now check out the problem. B means 2, N means 14, C 3, O 15, E 5, P 16, H 8, Q 7, L 12, R is 18. So the numbers are increasing, decreasing, means it is nothing but alternative series. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 8, 12, next dash. It is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, next plus 5. So 12 plus 5, 17. 17 means Q is the answer. 12 plus 5, 17. 17 means Q is the required answer. Alternative series, nothing but the required answer is 17 is the answer. 17 means Q. Now come to this problem. X means 24, S means 19, N means 14, I means 9, D means 4. The difference is here minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So 4 minus 5 minus 1. Minus 1 means nothing but I told you 26 minus 1, 25 is the answer. 25 means Y is the answer. 25 means Y is the answer. So every time minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. So 4 minus 5 minus 1, 26. We have no value for minus 1. Subtract from alphabet 26 alpha, 26 minus 1, 25. Y is the correct answer. Come to this one. R means nothing but 18. O means 15, L means 12, I means 9, F means 6, C means 3. R 18, 15, so on. This is the value. Now here, observe here minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 0. What is the code for 0? Already I told you previously for you. 0 means nothing but already I told you here. 0 means what is 26 or 0. Z we can call it as Z, we can call it as 0 or 26. Sometimes it is, so that's why here the answer is 0 means Z is the answer. Z is the answer. So now up to now we have done only single letter series. Now we can go for the double letter series. Same process we can do it. Now we can go for a double letter and afterwards we can see the triple letter series also. So series is very important for ICET coaching. So you can get nearly 5 marks from here, and this will be useful in coding and decoding. There will be 10 marks to be there. That's why you have to do more and more practice. You will get 15 marks from reasoning from here only. So please write down. Now we are taking double letters. Before we have taken single letters, now we can go for the double letters. How to do double letters means same process. All first letters B, E, H, all first letters, all second letters, all second letters. All first letters B, E, H, K, we can comparison. All second letters C, H, M, K, R, we can comparison. Now I am writing all first letters series numbers. B means 2, E means 5, H means 8, K means 11. What is the next? 2, 5, 8. The difference is 3, 3, 3, 3. So 11 plus 3, 14. 14 means the value 14 is nothing but N. So the first letter is N is the value. N is the value. Now all second, C means 3, H means 8, M means 13. Next R means nothing but 18. Now difference is 5, 5, 5. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 18, 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5, the value becomes 23. 23 means W is the answer. So the answer is NW is the answer. So first letters 2, 5, 8, 11, B, E, H, K. Next second letters C, H, M, K, R. And the difference is here plus 2, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Okay, next one is plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. So the answer is NW is the answer. Now come to this one. AC. A means 1, E means 5, I means 9, M means 13. Difference is 4, 4, 4, 4. 13 plus 4, 17. So the first dash is 17. 17 means nothing but Q. 17 means Q. Next second number. So C means 3, 9. Next O means 15. Next U means 21. Difference is 6. Difference is 6, 6, 6. 21 plus 6, 27. 27. What is the meaning of 27? Nothing but 27 minus 26, 1. 1 means A is the answer. Whenever it is more than 26 alphabets, subtract from 26. 27 minus 26, the value is 1. So the answer is A is the required answer. A is the required answer. Now come to the last problem. B. B means 2. C means 3. F means 6. K means 11. Difference is 1, 3. Difference is 1, 3, 5. Next difference is these are odd numbers, 7. 11 plus 7, 18 is the value. 11 plus 7, 18. 8, what is the code for 18? 18 means nothing but R. R. Go to the second letters. Go to the second letters. Second series. C means 3. E means 5. I means 9. O means 15. Difference is 2, 4, 6. So next difference is 8. 15 plus 8, 23. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 means W. So the answer is RW is the answer. RW is the answer. Write down this one and try it in the home also. You can get it very easily. Same process. All first letters, all second letters. All first letters, all second letters. Write down this one. You can go for other 3 models. Now say this problem. Same model. First P. P means 16. N means 14. L means 12. J means 10. The difference is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. This is 8. So the answer for 8 is nothing but H. Next series R. R means 18. R means 18. Next O. O means 15. L means 12. I means 9. Difference is 3, 3, 3. 18 minus 15, minus 3, minus 3, minus. So 9 minus 3, 6. 6. What is the code for 6? Code for 6 is nothing but F. HF is the answer. HF is the answer. Now come to this problem. T. T means 20, 17, N 14, K 11. Difference is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. 11 minus 3, 8. 11 minus 3, 8. What is the code for 8? 8 is nothing but H. Next, come to second series V. V means 22. Q means 17. L means 12. G means 7. The difference is minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 means nothing but B. HB is the answer. Write down these two. Now come to some other problems. BY, EB, HS, KP. If you observe these letters, these are nothing but opposite words. Boy, love, love, Hyderabad second word, Kukatpally, and so on. So you can observe the first letter as B as 2, E5, H8, K11. Means the difference is every time 3, 3, 3, 2 plus 5, 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 11, so 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 means the value is n. For n, opposite word is m. For n, the opposite word is m. These are nothing but opposite words. Opposite words. So first of all, if you find the first letters, automatically the code for n is m. Already I have given the synopsis for you. Second condition I have written here. Second condition, for n the code is m. For n the code is m. So see in our synopsis, you can get an idea. Opposite words is the, for n the code is m is the answer. This is also opposite words. Color CX, color Xerox, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, MN and RI. So we can take the first letters C3, H8, M13, R18. The difference is plus 5. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 13, 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 is nothing but 23. 23 means W. So what is the code for W is nothing but, I told you, down. Down means for W it is D is the answer. D is the answer. So the required answer is down. These two problems are nothing but opposite words. So these are the models in double series. So I will give you some more problems here in the board. 5 or more problems you can do as homework. I will give the answers also here. First write down these two things. Now write down these problems as homework. Do as homework. GI, KM, dash, SU, WI. These are the options. NQ, OQ, NP, PQ. DH, IL, MQ, RU, dash, AD. Options VW, VZ, WX, YA. PQ, QS, SV, VZ, ZE, dash. Options EK, EJ, EF, EF. So EF, EF, the same model, same product. We can check out this one. BC, DE, GH, KL, PQ dash, UV, WX, VW, XY. You can check out this one. Write on this one. This has EL. Now come to 3 letters, all 3 letters. Same process, you can take all first letters, all second letters, all third letters. I am reading for all first letters. A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Next dash, that is 5. Next all second letters. B 2, D 4, F 6, H 8. Next 2 4 6 8 means it is the value is 10. Next all third letters. C 3, F 6, I 9, 12. Next here the difference is 3 6 9 12 means plus 3 3 3 3 3 is 15. Now write down the answer. 5, first letter is 5. 5 means, what is the meaning of 5? 5 is nothing but E. 10 means J, 15 means O. So the answer is EJO is the answer. This is the process. All first letters, all second letters, all third letters. Write down this one. I can review second for you. Do that problem. Take 1 minute at a time and do it one. PCD DGJ FKP HOV. BCD DKJ FKP HOV dash. So B means 2, D means 4, 6, 8 dash. First one is 10. Second letters C3, G7, K11, O15 dash. Here the difference is 4, 4, 4, 4. 15 plus 4 plus 4 series 19. We can see 19. Check out the 19. 19 means S. Third letters D4, J10, P16, V is 22. Here the value is plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. 26 plus 6, 28. For 28 you have no chance. 28, so 28 minus 26. 2 is the value. This is the answer. So 10 means J, 19 means S, 2 means B. So the answer is JSB is the answer. JSB is the answer. Write down this book and go for another one. Do this problem. Whenever options is there, it is very easy to find out the problem. Why? Because there is a scope of suppose only first letter is R or Q, you can delete other two options as easily. So that's why it depends on options, it is very easy. So whenever options is given, it is very easy for us. Now we can check out first one. K means 11 comma, M means 13, O means 15, next dash, S means 19, next U means 21. So every time the difference is 2 is there, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So the first value is 17. 17 means Q. So automatically these two options are cancelled. Two options are cancelled. Why? Because the first answer is Q only. The first answer is Q. Automatically R is there. These two options will cancel only. Our answer will be 1 or 3 only. So whenever the option is, it is very, very easy for us. Now go for the second letter. You can get an idea definitely. What are second letters? U means 21. R means 19. Next O means 15. Dash. I means 9. F means 6. If you observe the values, here it is minus 3, 15 minus 3, 12. What is the code for 12? The code for 12 is nothing but L. L is the value. L is the value. L means what is the, where is the option here? Here QMV, here QLV. So the answer is QLV is answer. There is no need to calculate the third one. Waste of time. Because the option is QMV or QLV. Second option, second one is L is there. That's why don't go for the third option. So our answer is QLV. If there is chance of none is there, then go for the option third option. So whenever there is no chance of none లేనప్పుడు మనం అనవసరం చెక్ చేయడం వేస్ట్ థర్డ్ లెటర్గా. ఎందుకంటే ఆన్సర్ సెకండ్ లెటర్ ఎల్ ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ ఎం ఉంది. సో ఆన్సర్ is QLV is the answer. This is the model problem. So I am giving some more problems on this one. You can try it, you can get an idea. So this is the letter series actually. This is very important for mostly for ICET and bank and SSC. So you will get in ICET 5 marks from this one, and the same process will be applicable in coding and decoding. ఇదే మోడ్ మన కోడింగ్ లో అప్లై చేస్తామంటే అక్కడ 10 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి, ఐసెట్లో 100% 10 మార్క్స్, 10 ప్లస్ 5 15 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ఇవి బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఎలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలంటే ఏ అంటే 1, బి అంటే 2, సి అంటే 3, డి అంటే 4 మైండ్లో సెట్ అయిపోవాలి. ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ నెంబర్స్ సెట్ అయిపోవాలి. అలా సెట్ అయిపోతే మనకి చాలా ఏని 1 అనొచ్చు లేదా 27 కూడా అనొచ్చు. 27 ఎలా అంటామంటే ఏ అంటే 1, 1 ప్లస్ 26 27, బిని 2 అనొచ్చు లేదా 28 అనొచ్చు. ఎలా అంటే 2 ప్లస్ 26 28. సో ఎలా అయినా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ రెండు పాయింట్స్ బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే ప్రాబ్లం చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ అయ్యింది. సో టుడే we are go for the letters. Tomorrow we can see some more problems on this one and go for the coding decoding. It is very easy for us. So those who are writing ICET, you will get 15 marks, nearly 15 or 12 marks. At least you can go for at least 12 marks. 12 is 100% guarantee. So that's why don't lose these marks. These are very important in ICET. Okay, write on this one. I will use some more problems on the these 3 letters. Okay, write down these problems. Do as homework. Already I have given the answers also. Dash LIF. First one is PQR OOO NML MKI dash. Second one NAO LYQ JWS HUU dash. MSN OVR QYB SBZ UED dash. Next one CJH GNL KRP dash. CPM FMP IJS LGB dash. This is P KRP. Do this as homework. You can get an idea. We can see the last model. From this you can two more problems on this one. With this letter series is over. So but this is very important for us in coding and decoding. For ICET you will get 10 marks definitely. Now come to these 3 problems. First one is C by S, F by O, I by K, L by G, next dash. So here numerator is separate letters and denominator separate letters. Numerator separate letters, denominator separate letters. What is the code for C? 3, F 6, I 9, L 12. So 3, 6, 9, 12. Next is 15. 15 means O by 3, 6, 9, 12. This is 15. 15 means O. In the denominator, if you go for denominator, S means 19, O means 15, K means 11, G means 7. Every time the difference is 19 minus 15, 4, 15 minus 11, 4, 11 minus 7, 4, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4 is 3. What is the code for 3? C is the answer. So the answer is O by C is the answer. So here the difference is every time minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. So that's why 7 minus 4, 3 is the answer. C means 3. So the required answer is O by C is the answer. Numerator separate, denominator separate. Come to this one. This is nothing but B by boy. Boy means these are nothing but opposite words. Fun, jockey, Q, men. These are nothing but opposite words. Opposite words. Opposite series. So opposite series means now write on the numbering for the B2, F6, J10, 14. So the difference is every time it is 4, 4, 4, 4. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. 14 plus 4 is 18. What is the code for 18? What is the code for 18? 18 code is nothing but R. R. What is the opposite for R? Already I told you. Opposite for R is nothing but Indian Railways. Means I is the answer. Indian Railways I told you shortcut as. If not, the opposite word is for R is I. R is I. This is the opposite words. Opposite words. If you go for the last one, B2, F6, J10. He was given for B the code is 2, F6, J10, N14. So automatically here plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Here it is plus 18. So it is 18 here. What is the code for 18? R. So the answer is R by 18 is the answer. R by 18 is the answer. Once again I am telling for you. For those who are preparing for ISET, I will tell you regularly classes for you. I will give the records. You have to go practice. ISET is very easy examination, don't worry. Already to my students already have given the material. Those who are not taking the material, so buy our package. ISET package is there, that is only for 100 rupees. So you have to buy that package, you can get an idea. In that one you can get all the exams, ISET exam papers as well as daily, separate exams will be there. For reasoning you have 20 exams, arithmetic 20 exams, and ISET nearly 5 to 10 model papers are there. Practice all these things, you can get a good idea. First of all, listen my class. Afterwards you can go for that package. In the daily practice that package. In that package letter series is there, you have examination is there. You can go for that examination. So ISET is very easy for those who are the students of DICE Academy. Already you have the package is there in your, already have given sent a package to you. Those who are seeing the outside people, if you want to buy, you can buy our package, DICE Academy package, for only 100 rupees. You can write on all these examinations. For this is the go for practice purpose. Practice చేయడం కోసం మీకు సపరేట్ మళ్ళీ మా యాప్లో సపరేట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటే ఆ ఎగ్జామ్స్ తీసుకోవాలంటే 100 రూపీస్ పే చేస్తే మీకు మొత్తం ఎగ్జామ్స్ వస్తాయి. సో ఐసెట్ రాస్తున్న వాడు మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ ఈ ప్యాకేజ్ తీసుకుంటే మీకు బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది. అవుట్ సైడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఈ నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేసి మేము మొత్తం క్లారిటీ ఇస్తాము టోటల్గా. దోస్ హు ఆర్ అవుట్ సైడ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, కాల్ టు దిస్ నెంబర్, యూ కెన్ గెట్ అన్ ఐడియా. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. My dear students, once again I am telling for you. So I am giving coaching for ISET also. Those who are preparing for ISET, daily I will teach you one chapter for you up to examination point of view. This models is enough for you. So who want practice more than practice, you have to buy our package. Just that is only for 100 rupees. That is only for 100 rupees. Buy our package. So from that package you can do more practice. So for that one you have to call to this number 9676. Those who are our DICE students, already you have the package is there. Already I have given the package for you. Already you have buy that one. Don't worry about that one. Okay. After completion of this one and class work, go for that exam practice. Thank you.